In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress theme. Changing your WordPress theme updates the look and layout of your site without touching your posts or pages, and the process only takes a minute. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect at each step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your site's content, design, and settings. Once you're in, you'll see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Everything we need is right there. Next, go to Appearance, then click Themes. This opens the Themes screen, where you'll see your currently active theme labeled at the top, along with any other themes that are already available on your site. Think of this page as your theme library. It shows the designs you can switch to instantly. Now take a moment to browse the available themes. As you look through them, pay attention to the overall style, the layout options shown in the preview image, and whether the theme appears modern and responsive. A responsive theme adjusts nicely on phones and tablets, which is essential for a good user experience. If you hover over a theme thumbnail, you can usually see quick details and a preview image that give you a sense of its design. When you find the theme you want to use, click it. This opens a details window with more screenshots and information about the theme's features. Use this space to confirm it fits your needs, things like typography, header styles, and blog or page layouts. It's normal for your site to look different across themes because each one handles elements like menus, widgets, and footers in its own way. When you're confident in your choice, click Activate. Activation happens immediately, and WordPress switches your site to that design right away. Your content stays intact. Posts, pages, media, and users don't change. Only the presentation does. After activation, open your site in a new tab to see the new design in action. If anything looks out of place, remember that menu locations and widget areas can move between themes. That's simply because different themes have different layout zones. You can always switch back by returning to Appearance, Themes, and activating your previous theme the same way. That's it. You've successfully changed your WordPress theme. Take a few minutes to click through your pages and make sure everything feels consistent. Once you're happy with the look, you're all set to move forward with content and fine-tuning.